Today was not the most desirable day to trade, and that's why I didn't trade. Currently, it's literally 10 a.m. in New York. Well, it's 9:57. The 10 a.m. candle hasn't even opened, and I'm off for the day because topstep needs to fix their system. Topstep needs to fix their system. How can you log on to topstep within the first 5 minutes of market open? All of the candles start bugging out, and then the server crashes. Now, looking at price action, here we are, it was evident that we were going to have a crap day in the first place. So I just sat on my arse for the first 5 minutes, and by that time, the service had crashed. So, yeah, man, price today was just an absolute abomination. Well, not really, but yeah, price just wasn't clean. It wasn't clean, and that's why I didn't bother placing a button. That's why as soon as I saw that the candles started to bug out on topstep, I just sat down and just forgot about everything. So going into the morning, naturally I had no bias. No bias. Because yesterday, remember we caught the move yesterday. So we're up on the week. And on top of that, I have no reason to trade every day, especially in December. So yesterday, I caught all the way from yesterday we caught a nice little short from here all the way down to there. Quick little 170 points. And realistically, yeah, as you can see, price literally is just, I can't even describe it, man. I can't describe it. And if you were on the markets today, you probably would have seen it as well. But what I marked out on the charts anyway, even though I didn't have a daily bias, we've got a 4-hour unfilled for value gap here. And funnily enough, YM tapped this. So we have got a S&T with YM at this high. Now, naturally, I'm going to mark out all of the session highs and lows. We have no session highs or lows resting other than London low. So after that, I'm going to look at where the opening gap range is. Yesterday, we closed here. Today, we opened here. Now, people might say, oh, why didn't you place it long? Oh, why didn't you do this? Oh, why didn't you do that? Bro, price action like this, you just want to avoid it as a whole. Even though the system, even though the servers crashed, you should be recognizing that this is crap price action. One example of it, I would call that data lows. People might say that this is the 8:30 candle. Bear in mind, people, it was unemployment claims today on a Tuesday. Never have I ever seen that. I think I've seen it once on Wednesday, a few times on Thursday, majority of the time on Friday. Why is unemployment claims on a Tuesday? Just, your ears have got to raise a bit. You've got to be aware that price, as soon as we see a gap like this created in the market, it's just going to be weird. The most probable trade for today was probably shorting the market there, shorting the market, flipping. Oh, why is my thing bugging? Shorting the market there or there. The best trade of the day was targeting this low, but that's all that I can say, man. I didn't trade, didn't want to trade. Price action was odd. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Price action is literally just chopping, and yeah, man. Today I didn't trade. Today I made nothing, and that's okay. I'm cool with that. I am happy with that because I haven't put myself out there. I haven't given myself the opportunity to lose in an environment where I don't need to lose as a whole. So, I hope you didn't trade today, and if you did, then it's your fault, man. It is your fault, and if you're a beginner and you're listening to this, people might say, how did you never take this trade? Or how did you not see the daily bias? Look, if you're a beginner, man, you need to make these mistakes. If you ended up trading today on topstep or you ended up trading on paper trading, either one, whatever you did, if you took a trade, it's just something to learn from. And that's the basis of this channel, other than to build a personal brand, is to give people some of the information that I could have used earlier on in my trading career to gain some more experience and gain some more knowledge in the market. So yeah, man. Let's wrap it up. I took nothing, got nothing else to say. Oh, there we go. Yesterday I talked about me selling my MacBook, and unfortunately my MacBook's having some problems, so I will be creating videos for the next few days, and honestly I have no clue when I'm gonna sell it, but eventually I'll come around to it because I can't log out of my Apple ID and whatnot and this and that. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned something, and I will see you tomorrow.